In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve a system of equations by using the process of substitution. So if we have the two equations y equals negative 3x minus 8, and then negative 3x minus 2y equals 16. So now, one of these equations is already solved for y, and the other isn't. So usually the first step would be to just solve for one variable and then plug that value into the other equation for that variable. But since we already have y solved for, we can just plug in the negative 3x minus 8 into the y into the other equation. So it would look like negative 3x minus 2. And then instead of the y, we just do the negative 3x minus 8. And then that equals 16. And now we just have to solve for x. So the first step would just be to use distribution and do negative 2 times negative 3x, which is positive 6x, and then negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 16, and then that equals 16. And then from here we can combine like terms, so negative 3x plus 6x is 3x, is positive 3x, and then we could do 16. We'll subtract 16 from both sides, so we'll have 3x equals 0. And then the final step is just to divide by 3, and 0 divided by 3 is 0. So we'll have x equals 0. So that's our x value. And then the other step is just to plug in 0 for x in either one of the equations. I'm just going to take the easiest one, which is y equals negative 3x minus 8. So it will look like y equals negative 3, 0, minus 8. And then you'll know that anything multiplied by 0 is just 0, so that would just cancel out. And we're just left with y equals negative 8. So we have the x and y values, and the final answer will look like 0, comma, negative 8.